Everyone, frustration is mounting for one family after someone changed their home address without their approval.
Now they can't buy things online, medication is not delivered, and some of their services are being cut off, all because they're not receiving their bills. New at 6 tonight, News Channel 5's Andrea Klein-Thomas explains how this could all happen.
The numeric address on this house is 1023. It's been that way since the house was built back in 1938. But this summer, this family started getting mail addressed to 1027. And that's when they said their nightmare began.
Really important things like all of our utility bills. The IRS changed our mailing address.
Mounds of mail collected over the last 2 months shows the confusion.
2 bank accounts at Pinnacle. One has 1023, one has 1027.
Some letters are properly addressed to 1023. Others are addressed to 1027.
This is all junk mail from people we've never received before.
Some mail they're not getting at all.
I did not get my bill for my computer service, and my internet was down. It was suspended.
It all started in April with this letter from Metro's Public Works recommending that their address be changed to 1027 for emergency response purposes because their house is out of sequence on the street. The next month, Public Works sent another letter saying to disregard the recommendation after Martin and Orland objected to the change, supposedly leaving their address 1023 intact.
When we returned from vacation in August, we started having mail addressed with the wrong address.
Somehow, public utilities, banks, even the IRS now have the wrong address.
I like this magazine because it's got 1023 and 1027.
Medicine Dr. Orland ordered was never delivered. Bogus charges even ended up on their credit card.
All of the documentation, letters that we've written, letters that we've received, in trying to solve this mess of a problem.
Nothing has fixed the problem.
Here's the IRS having the wrong address, 1027.
So every day,
one of the mail carriers wrote 1027 and 1023.
a visit to the mailbox
Wrong address, incorrect address, incorrect address.
continues what they call a never-ending nightmare.
The post office is sending something to us. They have the wrong address.
In Nashville,
Incorrect address.
Andrea Klein-Thomas, News Channel 5, HD.
Metro's legal department says Public Works has no control over how vendors or other businesses acquire a change of address. Public Works has contacted the post office to notify them of the correct address. The family is advised to send a form letter to every single company that has their address to clarify what the correct one is.